we're in the roasting room, and today I'm going to talk about a question we got from Highlandfoto about the different waves of coffee. I often advertise that we do third wave here at Carriage House Roasters, but what exactly does that mean? Well, in terms of coffee, we have been through three waves. The first wave, you can see on my presentation here, which I actually presented to some high school students at Broadway High School about a month ago, kind of gives a little insight into what each wave did. The first wave was in the 1800s. This is when you have the big coffee companies coming about mass producing coffee. Up until this point, you would go to your local grocer and they would actually roast the beans on site for you there and give it out to you there. They realized they could then mass produce, put them in tins, air seal it, and ship it over the country. So this became your first wave of commodity produced coffee. Your second wave came in the 1980s when the big chains that you see now really wanted to create a coffee experience based on things that they had seen in Europe. In Europe, it's very common to go to your local cafe and hang out, you people watch, you chat, you read a book, you're on your computer. It's a great experience. So that's what second wave was about, was bringing that to America. Third wave came about late 90s, early 2000s when there were people out in California who decided they wanted to concentrate more on the inherent flavor of the bean than just the experience. So what happened is they started roasting lighter, and you really got to see the flavors coming from the different regions. So for instance, in Ethiopia with a natural wash, you get that strawberry, blueberry, and rhubarb flavors. In some other places like Sumatra, you're going to get that nice earthy chocolatiness. So the concentration is really on doing the bean to the best of its ability. So that is what third wave is about. You're not going to always find things being exactly the same because it is more of a seasonal take on how to roast coffee. So there you have it. In a nutshell, those are the three waves of coffee.